How to create an account on XDesign. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create an account on XDesign. XDesign is a browser-based CAD software within the 3D Experience platform. Here's how you can create an account on XDesign. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type in x-design.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of XDesign. In this page here, you will be able to locate Start Creating for View button or also Get Started button at the top right. Click on it and then you will be presented with this pop-up. I'm going with sign in with email. Click on this sign in with email. Once after doing that, here in this field you will need to enter your email address. You will need to click on the send button right here. By doing so, now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for that code, and once you receive the code, you will need to enter it in this field. After entering the code, click on this login button right here. And soon after doing that, you'll be able to create an account on XDesign. Upon creating an account on it, you will receive 10 credits as gift to use on background remover and AI background generator feature on XDesign. Click on this Get Started. Use the various features available with XDesign. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.